Hi there, today we're going to look at how to dynamically pre-populate fields on the form. So first, we will create a demo URL property on contacts. We can make it rich text, single line text, multi-line text, whatever you prefer. I just added it as rich text. Then we will create the form, or just use any form that you guys have. For me right now, it's just a simple one, first name, last name, email. We need to look up the internal names for those properties. So for first name, it's just all together, all small letters, first name. Last name, same, all together, all small letters, last name. Email is just email. You can look it up in properties in your Hubspot account. And then we will grab this URL for the form, or URL for the landing page or website page where your form resides. So we'll just grab for the purpose of this demo, we'll grab this link and set up a workflow. Let me click out of this. When demo URL is unknown, populate demo URL with this link and this link. And then to add those dynamic parameters to pre-fill form, I will add question mark, name of the property equals dynamic personalization token, and next one equals dynamic personalization token, and next one equals, and you can add as many as you want. You can add any custom properties that you created. I just chose those native ones because it's pretty simple. Just wanted to showcase how it works. So this workflow will populate that specific URL, so when contact lands on the form, it will pre-populate the information right away. And then once this is done, we will share that link via an email. So we will have this link in the email. I added it as a HTML code because you cannot have text. You can have like a link as a personalization token. Otherwise, you will see the whole long link here with all of the query parameters and decorations and all that fun stuff. But I wanted to see the text, and that's how I did it. Little paragraph. Here is your then link, contact demo URL. So we are retrieving that property from contact object. So we will type contact dot and then type the name of your property. For me, it is demo underscore URL. For you, it might be something different, but you just type that in. This is the text that will be highlighted as a link, and then just add the dot at the end. It's not a link. Close your paragraph. All done. And let's send a test email real quick, and then let's do this one. I have first name, last name, email, all good here. Let's send test email. And let me check and show you how it looks in my inbox. So here it is, it's loading. Here's the last email that I have. That's what it looks like in my inbox. I will click on the link. You can see that this link is populated as a link, and then we have Anna as a first name, Zhukova as a last name, and email right here, and it's all pre-populated here. It works not only for Hubspot forms, it does work for other forms. I know Gravity Forms has some kind of funky setup. You would want to look into that, but most forms would accept this format, and you would be able to set those personalization up.